how to customize your Shopify cart page. Alright, there's two things that you can do here. One is you use the built-in settings from Shopify, and two is using an app called UpCart. And I'm going to show you about UpCart shortly. So for now, let's open our page here, click customize, and let's go over to the cart page by clicking the cart button here on the header. And as you can see, it loads a cart page. Now this cart page, you can change the composition and the colors like you can normally do in any other page in Shopify. So I'm just gonna explain you how to do that. uh, Quick tip here: if you want to change your cart page color scheme to its own scheme, you can do that by adding a scheme simply. So let's do that first. Let's change the color here um, to your preference using its own scheme. So this will be useful, especially if you don't have a scheme specifically for your cart page. Otherwise, if you want your cart page to be consistent with other pages, you can just choose one of the five schemes you have here that you use for other pages. All right, to add a scheme for your cart here, click colors in the settings menu and click add scheme. All right, so we have scheme 6 now instead of 5 schemes only. And this scheme 6, let's reserve that for your cart page. So go back to your cart page and click the section here that you want to change the color and click change on the color scheme and click scheme 6 that we just added. All right, once you've chosen scheme 6, let's click edit here to change the colors. You can change the background color, the text color, the solid button, and etc. and etc. You'll get this. All right. Now another thing that you can change is um, the composition of your cart page and the way it looks. And this is done by going back to the settings menu here and clicking cart here. Now you can change the cart layout as a page as we have now here, and it is built in when you first make your Shopify web, or you can make it a drawer or a pop-up notification, and you can enable cart node and show vendors also. All right, let's see here. Let's see if we change the cart type to drawer, and it should change our cart layout to a drawer on the left side of our website. Let's just wait for it to implement. All right, there you go. Now you have your cart type as a drawer. What this does is it changes your cart page to a drawer type. So it now swipes from right to left, and it covers about a third of the page here if you click the cart button on your header. Now, personally, I like this cart type more because it doesn't take away the attention from the main page that your buyer views, so that they can just peek into their cart while they browse your beautiful website. And I think that's pretty much it for the cart settings in Shopify using the built-in settings. One more thing that we need to note is that you can also change your compositions of your cart page, as you can see here. You can also edit your button margin, your top padding, bottom padding, etc., etc. And you can also add sections if you choose your cart type to page type, but that will be exactly the same as you would edit another page. All right, so the second method that I want to show you is using UpCart, and this is where it gets really interesting, honestly. So let's head over to the left menu and click App Embeds, and let's search for UpCart. All right, so in this case, I don't have my UpCart installed yet, so let's click Browse Apps. It will take you to the UpMarket. All right, now let's search UpCart in the App Store. And there you go. The app is this app with the U and P logo. You can look up how to use it, but I'm just gonna go through a quick brief of this app right now. So what you can do with UpCart is that you can add a customer rewards module where you can have an minimal spending that your customer can achieve so that they will have a free shipping or a 5% off discount like this, and you can put it in your app drawer as you can see here. I think the full potential of this app is in the app drawer. That's why I put the settings previously to app drawer, not app page. Next, you can have your upselling section here so that you can generate more income as the customer goes to their cart. And then you can add a shipping protection add-on here. This is one of the examples of an add-on. Other example may be a small maintenance product that you want to sell. So, for example, if you sell shoes or upholstery, you can sell your cleaning and maintenance kit as an add-on. So next, you can also have this time bar to announce your product information in your cart. So in this example here, they have an expiry checkout. So if you have an overwhelmingly successful product to sell, the customer cannot um, gatekeep it from other. So maybe that's one of the uh, times that you want to apply that settings in. But if you don't want the timer and just want to announce something, you can also do that. And then nextly, you have your trust badges module. And I think UpCart here is very good if you want to increase your card performance and you are ready to take the next step in increasing your revenue. Otherwise, I would just stick to the built-in settings that you can play around with. Let's go ahead and install it. Let's wait for it to load. Just one more second. And there you go. Let's click install. And it'll take you back to your page briefly. Okay, now as you can see, UpCart now has its own menu, and it is in this menu here where you will be guided by UpCart to add the elements that you want in your app drawer. So that is all from me. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you.